So this is the count that we have set, and this is the length that we have set. Currently we have set it to 20 mm. It can go till 99999 mm. Okay, and this is the roll. This extension goes here, and this is where the roll form will be fixed, and then the unwinding will be done. Now I'll press the start button. So this is 20 mm in length, and the count is 2 pieces. I will increase the length now. I'll make it 40 mm, and I'll increase the count to 3. So now the length is 40 mm. And the count is 3. I will increase the length now to 60 mm, and now I've now increased the length to 60 mm, and the number set is 3. Now I'll get 3 pieces of 60 mm each. Now I have set the length to 100 mm. Okay, and count is 2.